Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today, we are diving into one of the most nostalgic yet surprisingly modern devices to hit the market, the Nokia 3310 5G. A phone that blends the soul of the past with the speed and possibilities of the future. If you thought the 3310 was only about durability and snake, think again. Nokia has reimagined a classic for the 5G era, and today we're going to break it down for you in detail. Number 1. Design and build quality. The original Nokia 3310 was iconic for its simplicity and toughness, and the 5G version pays homage to that legacy while adding a modern flair. At first glance, you notice that the rounded edges are still there, giving it that recognizable silhouette, but the material choice has stepped up dramatically. Instead of just a plastic shell, the Nokia 3310 5G uses a reinforced polycarbonate blend with a matte finish that feels premium in the hand and resists scratches and fingerprints. It's light but sturdy, and it still gives that reassuring feeling that if you drop it, it won't shatter into pieces like glass-heavy smartphones do. The buttons are tactile with a satisfying click, and the redesigned keypad feels natural even for those who haven't used physical buttons in years. It's small, compact, and pocket-friendly, a refreshing departure from the oversized slabs of glass we see today. The build screams reliability, and the charm of that classic design still turns heads. Number 2. Display. Now, the display is where Nokia had to strike a balance between nostalgia and modern expectations. The 3310 5G comes with a 3.2-inch OLED panel, a massive upgrade from the pixelated screens of the past. It's vibrant, sharp, and bright enough to be used outdoors with ease. The resolution isn't flagship tier, but for this device, it feels just right, offering crisp text and smooth visuals. Nokia even managed to keep the proportions practical so it doesn't feel too cramped when reading messages, browsing simple apps, or streaming lightweight content. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the viewing angles are surprisingly strong. Unlike most modern phones that chase edge-to-edge designs, the 3310 5G still embraces bezels, which reinforces its retro character. This display isn't about flashiness, but it delivers more than enough for everyday use and strikes the perfect middle ground between practicality and nostalgia. Number 3. Performance. When we think of the Nokia 3310, speed was never part of the conversation. But the 5G version changes that completely. Powered by a lightweight Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 series processor optimized for efficiency, paired with 4 GB of RAM, this phone breezes through basic tasks. Whether you're texting, browsing, streaming music, or using lightweight apps, everything runs smoothly without hiccups. Thanks to 5G connectivity, download and upload speeds are shockingly fast for a phone of this category. Nokia designed this device not to compete with flagship multitasking monsters, but rather to offer a stable, consistent, and reliable performance experience for users who want connectivity without compromise. It's simple yet efficient, and you won't find lag when sticking to its intended purpose. The performance reflects Nokia's understanding that sometimes less is more, and the result is a phone that feels modern without being overwhelming. Number 4. Camera. Here's where things get interesting. The original 3310 didn't even have a camera, but the 5G version proudly carries a 48-megapixel rear sensor with AI enhancements. Nokia has clearly tried to give users a capable shooter without making photography the core focus. In daylight, photos come out crisp with natural colors and solid detail. Low-light performance is decent, thanks to the inclusion of night mode. Though it won't compete with flagship-level results. There's also a simple 8-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. It's clear Nokia wanted the 3310 5G to be practical for the modern age, so while it's not built for pro photographers, it delivers more than enough for casual shots, social media, and memories on the go. The camera experience is clean, intuitive, and true to Nokia's philosophy of simplicity. Number 5. Battery life. This is one of the areas where Nokia completely outshines many modern smartphones. The 3310 5G packs a 4500 mAh battery, and thanks to its efficient processor, small display, and lightweight software, it easily lasts 2 to 3 days on a single charge. For users tired of charging their phones every night, this feels like a dream. Standby times are excellent, and even heavy use won't drain the battery before the day ends. Nokia also includes 18W fast charging, which is more than enough for a phone of this class. The legacy of long-lasting Nokia batteries lives on in this device, and in many ways, it's one of the strongest selling points. In an age where most phones barely survive a day, the 3310 5G reminds us that endurance matters. Number 6. Software and features. Nokia has gone for a clean and lightweight version of Android, stripped of unnecessary bloatware and optimized for efficiency. The interface is simple, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for users who may not be tech-savvy. Essential apps like messaging, social media, email, and streaming platforms are all supported, but the overall software experience is designed to feel less overwhelming than typical Android phones. Nokia also includes a few nostalgic touches, like a modern version of the Snake game, giving fans a little throwback fun. Security updates are promised for at least 3 years, which is reassuring, and the integration with Google services is smooth. This software approach perfectly complements the hardware, keeping the 3310 5G fast, secure, and simple to use. Number 7. Value for money. Perhaps the biggest question is whether the Nokia 3310 5G justifies its price. In a world where budget smartphones are packed with huge displays, multiple cameras, and powerful chipsets, Nokia positions the 3310 5G as a different kind of device. It's not meant to replace your flagship smartphone. Instead, it's meant for people who want simplicity, reliability, nostalgia, and a break from the overwhelming complexity of modern devices, without sacrificing essential connectivity like 5G. It's priced competitively, and for what it offers, excellent battery life, durable build, a clean software experience, and iconic design, it absolutely delivers. If you're looking for a phone that balances practicality and personality, the value here is undeniable. And that brings us to the conclusion. The Nokia 3310 5G is not just a phone, it's a statement. It takes the best of what made the original 3310 legendary: durability, simplicity, and reliability, and reinvents it for the modern era with 5G connectivity, a capable display, solid performance, and battery life that humbles most smartphones today. This is not a device designed to compete with flagships. It's designed for people who crave something different, something that reminds them of a time when phones were tools, not distractions, but with just enough modern functionality to keep up with today's needs. For anyone who loved the old 3310 or simply wants a phone that's dependable and refreshingly simple, the Nokia 3310 5G is a rare gem. This is Apple Insider, and that was our full review of the Nokia 3310 5G. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a modern classic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the latest tech. Until next time, keep things simple and stay connected.